The Seagull Family. The seagull family consists of 6 seagulls: mother, father, 3 sons, and 1 daughter. All of them, except the youngest son, are expert in flying high. His parents have tried several times to teach him how to fly, but he is scared to do that and doesn't want to try anymore. He relies on the food that his parents bring back from their flights. Young seagulls' fear of flying. The youngest son is afraid of flying. He thinks that if he flies, his wings would not support him and he would fall down in the sea below and drown. Even his parents have rebuked him. They even threaten him if he doesn't fly, he would die of hunger. But he does not try. Parents leave young seagull alone. After so many failed attempts, his parents leave him alone on the rock without food. They even taunt him for his cowardice. The young seagull looks at his brothers and sister enjoying swimming, diving in the sea water for fish to feed themselves. But no one comes near him to offer food. Hunger and heat increase. As the time passes, the young seagull could not tolerate the hunger and the heat. He moves closer to the edge and pretends to fall asleep, but nobody takes notice of him. His brothers and sister have already had hearty breakfast, and father seems busy in admiring and cleaning the feathers on his back. The mother looks at him and tries to tempt him with pieces of fish. His begging and crying does not affect her. Young seagull dives for food. The young seagull was very hungry. He was surprised enough at his mother's ignorance of his pitiful condition. Thus, he dives for food. He begins to fall down with a scream as soon as he dives. Flight begins. The young seagull begins to fall in the sea. He is afraid of drowning. So, he tries to spread his wings outwards and begins flying. He feels a little dizzy, but all his fear vanished, means disappeared. He soars slowly downwards and upwards. He could finally fly on his own. Joy of flight and reunion of family. The seagull becomes so happy and soars higher, calling "Ga ga ga." It was really a joyous moment for the whole family. His brothers and sister, along with his parents, come near to encourage and cheer him. The young seagull successfully made his first flight.